Hello, Chef here. So I'm making a watermelon protein smoothie and I want to share it with you. I'm going to start off with about maybe a cup and a half of watermelon, just like this. Summertime, we eat a lot of watermelon around here. So I got my watermelon there, good to go. And I'm just going to give it a chop up like this. This watermelon in this vessel here. I've got a cup of water, and I got about a cup and a half of watermelon there, I figure. I got this cool little immersion blender, so I'm just gonna smash this down like this, blend it up even with the seeds, doesn't matter. By the way, the seeds are also packed with nutrients, a lot of good stuff in there for you. Alright, some of you already know watermelon is a natural Viagra. It has all kinds of cool properties that turn people on and gets you excited a little, I guess. But the main thing is it's natural and it's healthy. Alright, so I don't personally like to eat the seeds. Therefore, I'm going to take this one step further. And I've got a strainer and a mixing bowl here. I'm going to put this right through there. Very simple. And I'm using a pestle. This is from a mortar pestle set. I'm just going to use this to push as much of the pulp through as I can and not eat them seeds. Not crazy about the seeds. There you go. Most of the juice went right through. So easy. All right. So now I've got this beautiful juice here. I'm going to put it back in the vessel. By the way, technical term, if you're into cooking, French, bain-marie. This is a bain-marie. Okay, so now we're going to add our protein. Two heaping scoops, yeah. One more flavor, like to throw them in, and they're good for you. Goji berries, yeah. A couple of gojis in there. All right, and then the last thing, this is something you guys have never had, I don't believe, but this is pure vanilla bean seeds, pods, ground up. Pure vanilla. Check that out. Yeah, that's going to get blended very quickly. Okay, I'm going to do a tasting here. Wow, that is good. That is healthy. That is natural. Protein, vitamins, antioxidants. It's powerful stuff, let me tell you. If you want to learn more about watermelon, right there, just visit the site and you can learn some more, as well as pick up all the cool products that the chefs are using. And please like, share, subscribe. Watch our other videos. There's a ton of information about this in the other videos. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. Yeah. Yeah. Not too big. Not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.